Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make this extra soft shawarma bread, also known as pita bread. If you're a shawarma lover but have no idea how this bread is made and you always buy the ones in the store which is not always fresh, with this recipe I can proudly tell you that if you make your bread this way, there's no going back to the store-bought one. It's so soft, so fresh. Can you see how soft it is? Let me not even say too much. Let me just show you how it's made. Let's get started. To a bowl, add 1.5 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and mix properly till very well combined. Add half cup of water and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Use your hands to mix this properly, okay? We are going to form a dough, okay? At this point, it might seem really sticky and uncomfortable and you might want to add some flour, but please don't add some flour. Just keep mixing this, just keep kneading and it will all come together. You're going to need to knead this till it's very soft, so go ahead and keep kneading. So I'm going to take this and transfer to my work surface so that I'll be able to knead this properly. You're going to need to knead this for about 5 minutes till it's very soft. So go ahead and knead and keep kneading till you get a very softer and smoother dough. Just like this. This is what you're looking for. You're looking for something soft like this. I don't know if you can see it's gotten way softer after kneading. So place your dough back in your bowl and then you're going to cover and let it rest for about 30 minutes. So you can let it rest for 30 minutes or more. The longer it rests, the softer it gets. So after 30 minutes, guys, can you see how really soft and stretchy it is? This is what you're looking for. Your dough should be like this when well rested. So I'm going to place this back on my work surface and I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut into 6 pieces. This 6 pieces is for medium sized shawarma bread, but if you want yours smaller, you can go ahead and cut into 8 pieces. But if you want it larger, if you want it bigger, you can cut into 4 pieces. You're going to get really big shawarma bread. So go ahead and fold. Can you see the way I'm folding it like this? I'm just pinching at all the sides. You're going to try to make this as round as possible. The rounder these are, the finer your shawarma bread is going to look. Here I have all these round shapes ready. After that, I'll just take one and keep the rest aside, and I'm going to roll this wide and thin and flat. While rolling, try as much as possible to roll as even as possible. If it's sticking, just sprinkle a bit of flour and keep rolling. Not too much flour, just a bit to prevent the sticking. So after you're done rolling, it should be like this, not too flat, just like this. So go ahead and roll the others also. Then you're going to place carefully in your pan. After placing it in the pan, you're going to let it do its thing. Can you see all those small bubbles at the top? Well, this is what you're looking for. As soon as the bubbles starts to come up, you're going to flip on the other side, and then you keep flipping again. Can you see how it's puffed up beautifully? Well, this is what you're looking for, and this is so beautiful. So I'm using a tissue to just press on it, dab on it so that it puffs up even more, but it didn't, and it's okay. So you're just going to keep repeating the process. Can you see how beautiful these bubbles are popping? Like, this is the best part of it. When they start to pop up like this, it's just so beautiful. And then you're going to flip again. If it puffs up completely, the better. That way we have our pocket to stuff our whatever we want to stuff in. But if it doesn't puff up completely, you can still go ahead and use your bread like that. You can just roll it, make your shawarma or whatever you want to make with your bread. So this is all ready. I'll carefully take it out and place another one in. So you're going to need medium heat for this. You don't want to use high heat for this, okay? As soon as you place it in, you're supposed to start seeing results immediately. You're supposed to start seeing the whole beautiful bubbles, the whole puffiness immediately. So you're just going to keep flipping from side to side till it starts to puff up like this. And when it starts to puff up, you're going to assist it to help it puff up even better by maybe using a tissue and just dabbing on it, and hopefully it puffs up. If it doesn't puff up, it's still okay. So it puffed up a bit more, but that was all I got, which is still very okay. So in case yours isn't puffing up, don't worry. Sometimes it just doesn't even puff up completely. Carefully flip to the other side to let it cook evenly and then take it out of the heat. Let me show you what your bread would look like if you use very low heat. I place this at very low heat, and as you can see guys, it's taking long to puff up. So I'm going to flip on the other side and let me show you. I flipped this way too fast, and as you can see guys, the other side is still very white, which means that the heat is too small and I flipped too soon. So I'm going to flip again this time, and as you can see, it's gotten a bit browner. But one thing with this is that it was soft, but not as soft as the others because the heat was not the right temperature. Make sure to use medium heat. As you cook them in the pan one after the other, just be covering them with a towel, because if it's not covered it might dry up. So this is all I got. This is all the puffiness I got in this one because the heat was too low. So at this point it's also ready, and I'll just take it out, and our bread is ready. Our perfect soft shawarma bread is ready. You can eat this with sauce, or you can just place your mayo and normally make your shawarma bread with this. Let me show you. Can you see how soft it is? So easy to fold and so beautiful and so perfect. So that's it guys. That's how easy it is to make this shawarma bread. It's not as difficult as you think. So tell me in the comments, will you be trying this? And if you try this, please do let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know. If you watch this video and you like this, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I wrap mine in my Ziploc bags to be used the next day. And that's how to make your soft shawarma bread always. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!